a Vietnamese person asks you, Anh tuổi gì? How would you answer?
Anh tuổi gì? You age what? Anh 42 tuổi?
No, the question Anh tuổi gì actually means what is your zodiac animal? Today let's talk a bit about this important element of Vietnamese culture. Zodiac animal system. There are 12 zodiac animals. 12 con giáp. Con giáp. What animal you are depends on the year of your birth, and your zodiac animal is thought to determine your personality and your fate. At the end of this video, I will present the full list of animals and their names. The zodiac system was borrowed from the Chinese, except that we changed the rabbit into the cat. Con thỏ, con mèo. It appears that this change was made because rabbits were not indigenous to Vietnam. The words for zodiac animals are different from the words usually used to refer to those animals. For example, a rat in your kitchen is con chuột, con chuột. But the zodiac rat is tí, tí. A chicken on a farm is con gà, con gà. But the zodiac chicken is dậu, dậu. So back to my question at the beginning. When someone asks, Anh tuổi gì? Anh tuổi gì? You might respond, Anh tuổi dậu, anh tuổi dậu. I, year, chicken. Now, people do use the standard name for the animal. So, anh tuổi con gà, anh tuổi con gà is acceptable. But anh tuổi dậu, anh tuổi dậu will show that you're really familiar with Vietnamese culture. Now, let's look at how zodiac system affects people's lives. Parents choose particular years to give birth. A lot of parents deliberately choose to give birth to their children in the year of the pig and the dragon, because the pig promises a comfortable life and the dragon a prosperous and a successful one. That means these years see a spike in birth rates. Recently, this has caused a lot of pressure on the school system. Here's an article back in 2018 about this pressure. In 2018, the generation of rồng vàng, golden dragon, entered grade 1, starting primary school, and the generation of heo vàng, golden pig, entered grade 6, so starting middle school. That year, Ho Chi Minh City had 63 more students than usual. 63.000 học sinh. 63.000 học sinh. Meaning 1,000 more classrooms needed. 1.000 phòng học. 1.000 phòng học. And class sizes went up to 50 students a class. So 50 em một lớp. 50 em một lớp. The concept of hợp tuổi. Hợp tuổi. Hợp means suit or fit. This concept means that people who are born in certain years will suit you better. This includes spouses, business partners, even offspring. The concept of tam hợp. Tam means three, and hợp, as we already discussed, mean fit or suit. So tam hợp refers to group of three zodiac animals that are thought to be highly compatible. One of these groups is rat, monkey, dragon. So Tý, Thân, Thìn. Tý, Thân, Thìn. As you can see, they are connected by a red triangle. So if the wife Tuổi Tý is a rat, right? And the husband Tuổi Thân, born in the year of monkey, then they might try to have a child born in the year of dragon. Tuổi Thìn. Their family will then supposedly live in happiness and prosperity. The concept of tứ hành xung. Tứ means four, and hành xung means highly incompatible. So tứ hành xung refers to groups of four zodiac animals that are thought to be highly incompatible. One such group is tiger, monkey, snake, and pig. So Dần, Thân, Tỵ, Hợi. Dần, Thân, Tỵ, Hợi. You can see these four animals are connected by two straight red lines. A boss looking for a new employee might try to avoid people in his tứ hành xung group because it would be bad for business. Here's a recruitment advert looking for a personal assistant, and the first line says, Năm sinh sau đây sẽ được phỏng vấn trước. Năm sinh sau đây sẽ được phỏng vấn trước. People who are born in these following years will get to be interviewed first, and then the list of the years. This is an example of the belief in tam hợp, groups of animals that are highly compatible, and tứ hành xung, groups of zodiac animals that are highly incompatible. Finding a spouse. A man's parents sometimes visit a thầy, a feng shui master or a fortune teller, to check if his girlfriend is a good match for him and the family. This investigation is called xem tuổi. Thầy not only check the zodiac animals but also check the precise time and date of birth. Here's a true story. My friend's husband, let's call him Nam, used to date a different person. Then Nam's family đi xem tuổi and concluded that they're not a good match. Thầy even said if they try to get married, then Nam will get into a horrible accident or even might die. Under the pressure of his family, Nam broke up with his girlfriend and now married to my friend. Because of making this video, today is the very first time I checked my tuổi and my husband's tuổi to see if we're a good match. So Annie tuổi Tỵ was born in the year of the snake, and chồng Annie tuổi Mẹo. He was born in the year of the cat. So snake and cat is not one of those tam hợp groups, but not one of those tứ hành xung either. So I suppose that must mean our marriage is not great, but also not so bad. So that's the Vietnamese Zodiac animal system. Do people in your country have similar beliefs and practices? Please let me know in the comments. And now the full list of Vietnamese Zodiac animals. Con chuột, Tý. Con trâu, Sửu. Con hổ, Dần. Con mèo, Mẹo. Con rồng, Thìn. Con rắn, Tỵ. Con ngựa, Ngọ. Con dê, Mùi. Con khỉ, Thân. Con gà, Dậu. Con chó, Tuất. Con heo, Hợi. Anh tuổi gì? Anh tuổi con gà. Anh tuổi Dậu. Hợp tuổi. Không hợp tuổi. Thầy. Xem tuổi. Before I go, I'd like to thank chú Dean for supporting me on Patreon. Cảm ơn chú nhiều. If you like my content and would like to support me too, please check out my subscription lessons, my books, and also my Patreon. Links are in the description box. Cảm ơn các bạn.